Why can't I love you the way that I want to? Maybe it's something, maybe it's nothing.
Okay po nila. Diyan kami, guys.
Why can't I
May self-expected result dito kasi your product is
Guys, nagbibenta siya ng damit. Bumili na kayo. Ayan guys, nagbibenta siya. Bilhin nyo na raw. Literal na lang seller. Tapos
the way she smiles, she got me staring for a while, staring for a while. Baby, it's a conversation.
Hey guys, guess where we are?
kumakain po kami ng luto dito. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung bahay na yan. Ayan, dyan po.
And time check 6:46 AM. Pasok namin 7 AM.
Parang sinukuha niya doon.
Dito kami lang ba?
Kung gusto mo sabihin. Meron ako, hindi ko na pag-uwi.
She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for.
Hello everyone. I haven't vlogged for a long time. Nawawala yung cellphone na doon.
Ano binili guys?
Good day, ma'am! Mando! Pag bumili po kayo dito. Rizal, tama na. Doon ka na sa kabilang ano. Pag bumili po kayo. Walang bibili. Bili na raw po kayo, guys. Guys, yung mga kaklase ko nagtitinda na lahat. Pwede ka nang, ano, kahit hindi ka na lumabas. Literal na business. Kahit di na kami lumabas dito sa room. Pwede na kami. Hindi po ba siya makilala? Di ba, Armenia? Pacer bill. Maglaro na lang tayo. Hi guys. It's February 24, Saturday. And we have lots of things to do. Lots of things to do. Pero, ano, we're just going to study at Cafe Penny today. And I'm gonna show you sino yung mga kasama namin for my
Always wondering how you're doing, even if you don't care about me at all. I've always found it so confusing how you still see through me, even through it all. I was never able to admit that I had needed you, even now I do.
Di po siya masaya. Napabili siya na wala sa oras. Masaya siya na libre. Uy.
Do you ever think about me? I'm not just another shadow in your room. It's no wonder I've been hurting.
Good morning everyone. Today is Monday and it's March 4. I'm gonna try and do vlog today because we have a lot of things to do. It's 6:21 right now and I'm about to go to school.
I know that I'll be fine, but I can't help but think
about the time when I
Hello yan! Yellow! Yellow! Yellow!
Bata ka ba? Bye guys, nasa peak. Bulaga! Hi guys! So, for today's video is nag-practice po kami sa aming RW and nag-roleplay po kami guys. And yung pinili po namin film is 7 Sundays. So, ayan yung vlogger nyo guys, so. Nagpa-practice siya, oh. Ganda nyo, oh. Ba tayo ma-zoom? Diba guys, ang galing nila. So, ito naman yung group. Sila po ay, she's, dating a gangster. She's dating the child. Ang okay po nila, yung sisters po na nag-aaway. So, bukas na po ang show po namin. And the final show. Okay. Ang gagaling ng mga classmate namin guys is artista. Artista po yung mga classmate namin.
So, may dilihan mo ba?
Ayan kami guys. Bukas na po to. Bye-bye! Hi!
Sa kapigyan ulit kami. Guess what we're doing?
Ito uniform ako.
Good job! Yay! Order si Jeros ng Sprite. At in-order ko po. Order ako hot sauce. In-order niya is cookie latte. Tapos lang pamain na pancit canton. Now we're eating halo. Halo.
think about me. Am I just another shadow in you? It's no wonder I've been hurting. When all I do is think about me and you. I was never able to admit that I needed you deep, and now I do.
Like the way she smiles, she got me staring forward.
Hello guys, nasa 7-Eleven kami right now. 7-Eleven.
Maybe it's a conversation. She's my favorite
Then, bumili akong
notification.
gluta.
She knows how to dress for special
Ay, gluta ba to?
occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now would I ever. It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. Telling you now,
Hi guys, nasa SM kami. Guess what? We're here to film. Yan yung mga kasama ko.
telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close in the friend zone, yeah, but I don't mind it.
Hey guys, so I'm getting ready right now. Get ready with me. So after cleaning my face, ayan, nag-dry na rin siya. Maglalagay lang ako ng moisturizer, syempre. My Celatec girl. Talaga.
Me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love.
After nyo maglagay nun, syempre maglagay kayo ng sunscreen. Ito naman yung sunscreen ko. I'm using the Perfected Beauty Salt. This is, a mineral sunscreen. Papabihin ko. I also ordered some, milk tea, guys, from Chatime. Pero ayun, nag-order ako ng matcha cream cheese. Ayan. Let's try it. Must try. You must try it. Usually, nag-i-start lang ako sa blush ko. Feel ko kasi mas nagtatagal kapag ka nag-i-start ako sa blush ko. Mas dito ako naglalagay. Sa aking cheeks dito. Ganyan. Raulo ako eh. Hindi naman ako i-judge. Hindi naman ako makeup artist. After nun, maglagay na tayo ng powder. Maglalagay lang ako ng pressed powder. Konti lang yung nilalagay ko rin. Nakaka-help din to for oil control. I'm a very oily girl, kaya lagi ko siyang ginagamit. Alam niyo ba kung gaano ko nakatagal pinapangarap magawa to, yung mag-get ready with me. Lagi kong hindi nagagawa. Di ako agad nagigising, di tuloy ako nakakapag-get ready with me. Siyempre, lagyan niyo rin yung neck niyo. Walang yung mukha, kasi baka naman hindi magpantay. After nun guys, maglalagay ulit ako ng wala. Wala na, nag-introvert na ako. Ayoko na. Makapal ba? Makapal daw. Hindi ko naman. Hindi pantay. Pantay. Hindi lang pantay yung mata mo. Ngayon naman guys, maglalagay ako ng sebum blur powder from Dr. Sensitive. Para lang mas smooth yung mukha ko. Tapos guys, maglalagay ako ng this is blur to watery lip tint. Pang natural looking. Tapos ngayon guys, mag-brow na tayo. Para lang nakaayos yung kilay ko hanggang mamaya. Yun lang ang aking look.
Hey guys, so now we're walking papuntang National Bookstore. At bibili lang kami ng glue at saka tape. Kasi kailangan namin itikip yung ginawa namin logo. Sirap ang vlogger ng taon.
Hi guys, nandito tayo sa food court ng SM. Gagawa tayo ng slime. So first, kailangan nyo ng lalagyan, tapos ng pang-halo yung sa amin. Tapos meron kaming glue, tapos contact lens solution, at saka baking soda. So una, gawin muna natin yung solution. Kakahiya ang kamay ko. Dito ko na lang lagay tayong baking soda, guys. Pwede na yan. Ay, ang dami ko nalagay. Tapos, we're gonna put the contact lens solution mixed together. Guys, nag-ASMR tayo sa public place. Tapos, buhos lang natin to, guys. Yay! Yay! Bakit hindi ko masaya? Yay! Yay! Hala! Ayaw malusaw yung baking soda.
Tama basta.
Ngayon guys, lalagay na natin yung glue. Lagay natin lahat. Kita nyo yan guys. Pwede na yan. O, sige pa. O, sige. Konti-konti lang. Baka hindi mag-work. Kinakabahan. Ba't hindi ba mayroon pa? May detergent. Naririnig nyo ba guys?
Ganun lang yun. Nag-react agad yung glue.
Alam mo. Ayan guys. Oo.
Ala, coffee mo na.
Good evening guys! Tapos na kami. Yes, ganito po kami katagal nag-film. Inabot kami ng gabi. And we are going home. Time check, it's 8:42 p.m.
I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close in the